working on a project to create an NFT marketplace, and I found a great use of ChatGPT in that, as I was creating a smart contract on Solidity. So I had some confusion in the code that I was learning from a YouTube video. So here is the code. So I was having some confusion, so I just copied the code on ChatGPT and I asked to help me understand this code. And here you can see it explain all of the variables and the functions that are used in the code, and it explain very well about why the variables are created and what is the use of the variable, and similarly it explains for the functions as well. And then I had some confusion still, so I just referred to the code, like I asked the ChatGPT why this library is used, and it explained again using the code from the above that I sent from the smart contract. And then you can see I asked a lot of questions, like I asked the about the owner variable, and uh, is it marketplace owner or NFT individual owner, and it told me along with the code and along with the reasons. And then again it explained very well about the mapping things. So the conclusion is that you can use ChatGPT to help you understand the code, and it can also write code for you if you explain your requirement very well. So here I asked about the constructor, and then I asked it to short it because it was so long and I wanted to add that as comments. So yeah, as you can see, I asked a lot of questions because I had a lot of confusion and I wanted to add the comments in the code so that it can help me and the future developers to understand this code later on. So that's the use that I found with the ChatGPT for your programming and coding. So thank you for watching this video, and like this video if you have found this helpful. So yeah, subscribe to my channel for more related videos.